Sometimes our thoughts begin to spiral and our minds can go all over the place. You can use this exercise to ground yourself in the present moment by tapping into what's immediately surrounding you. So let's begin. First, I'm going to ask you to look around in your immediate surroundings. What are 5 things that you can see? It can be anything. It can be something on your desk, something on your bedside table, anything. Just identify 5 things you can see in your immediate surroundings. Next, I'm going to ask you to identify what are 4 things you can feel. Notice the texture of these things. Maybe it's the clothing that you're wearing or the surface that you're sitting on. What are 4 things that you can feel? Now I'm going to ask you to identify 3 things you can hear. What's happening? Maybe it's a truck driving by in the distance, or maybe there are kids laughing in the other room. What are 3 things that you can hear in your environment right now? Next, I'm going to ask you to identify what are 2 things that you can smell. Maybe someone just cooked a meal, maybe there's flowers nearby. What are 2 things in your immediate environment that you can smell right now? And last, I'm going to ask you to identify what is 1 thing that you can taste. Maybe you have a cup of coffee, maybe you have a stick of gum. What is 1 thing that you can taste right now that's accessible to you in your immediate environment? So again, by tapping into your senses, whichever ones feel accessible to you, this is a way to bring yourself to the present moment. When your mind begins to spiral and think about all the what ifs and wander into the future or dip back into the past, you can utilize this exercise to bring you right back to the here and now, present moment, so that you can feel grounded and connected and feel confident in your capacity to make a choice about how you want to move forward.